Namaskar, I am Dr. Kishan Chandra, Director, National Center of Organic Farming, which is a subordinate office under the Ministry of Agriculture. Actually, some volunteers and farmers, they have requested about the micronutrient. I have to speak in English because they have a problem of Hindi, and in particularly South and Northeast region and other parts, people are not able to understand. So just I am trying to explain you the micronutrient, that is the organic micronutrient. First time has been introduced by the National Center of Organic Farming, how to prepare it. So as you know, waste decomposer bottle, we are taking 200 liter of water and 2 kg of jaggery. So after 7 days, when you see, this solution is ready. So this is some whitish solution. It doesn't make any difference with the color. The only thing is it should be multiplied. If it is multiplied, it means it is ready. If you just shake it and see some color, different color is coming. And some insect specks are also there. So that are also is due to our jaggery. So overall, when water turns in any color, it means it is ready. That is a waste decomposer is ready. Now, how to use for the micronutrient? As I told, we have to take 100 liter of this our solution, waste decomposer solution, and we have to take some oil seeds, and also for the pulses, whatever pulses you have available. So I have used this arhar, moong and biri. So 3 types of pulses I have taken. Then I have taken the mustard, sunflower. So these all crop, whatever you have, 3-4 crop, at least 3 to 4 crop of pulses, and 2 or 3 or more, you can take this oil seed crop. It may be soybean, it may be sesame, or it may be anything. What you have to do, just crush it. 2 kg of each seeds you have to crush it, make a fine powder. And that fine powder in 100 liter of waste decomposer, put 2 kg each of this material. Like pulses, suppose arhar you have used, 2 kg arhar powder, 2 kg moong powder, 2 kg our any other pulse powder. Besides this, you have to take it, there's our oil seeds, 2 kg of our sesame, 2 kg of mustard, because all we know, just different types of our pulses on different type of our oil seeds have a different nutrition value. That contains nitrogen, that contains phosphorus, that contains potash, even vitamin B6, B12, this all available, vitamin D, vitamin A, this all are available. That composition you can see from the internet. So accordingly, we have to take all the material and put it in this 100 liter of our this container where we have already made this waste decomposer. So along with this, to enrich with this liquid, we can use some iron pieces. I have used 11 iron pieces, nails, so that provide us the iron. Copper wire, what is available in your house, that copper wire you take is 100 gram, 200 gram, doesn't make any difference if you take less or more. If you take a more, it will release the copper more. Accordingly, you can take some battery cells. The battery cells contains zinc. Similarly, you can see whatever material contains your metal, that all metal you have to put inside and keep it for 20 days. After 10 days, it will be start working, because it will, as you know, this our waste decomposer full of our enzymes and our organic acids. So when we are putting the inorganic acids, all this material, their nutrition value comes out. All the micronutrients comes from our material, and it is available in the liquid form. I will show you how it looks after 10 days. Just you see it. You see it after 15 days, how it looks. Just take it. It is so curdy in color you see, thickness you see, it will looks like this. So this is a ready material and full of all micronutrient, vitamins, hormones, enzymes. If you test it, we have tested it. Some of my farmers had tested it in the laboratory, and he has recorded this nitrogen content is 700 milligram per liter. Phosphorus is again more than 100. Potash is again 600. Then other nutrient, calcium, magnesium, your iron, copper. As iron, copper I put from outside, it again increase in the solution. So this material is ready, full of your all micronutrient plus enzymes and hormones. Now how to use it? This material, we can take a 5 liter of this material, put it in along with this 5 liter. Suppose you are going to spray 100 liter in the 1 acre, so you have to take 5 liter of this micronutrient. Rest you have to take 45 liter of our waste decomposers plain solution and 50 liter of water and spray it in 1 acre of land. If you have a drip irrigation or sprinkle irrigation, accordingly you can do it. If you want to use in the soil, what you have to take it 10%, means 10 liter of our this micronutrient. Rest you can take 40 liters our waste decomposer and 50 liter water. Ratio has no difference. You can take less or more. As much you are taking, it will give you benefit. And at least in the crop, you have to spray. 3 sprays required. One crop became 20-25 days. Then before flowering and after, at the time of fruit setting, it is very much required micronutrient. So whatever deficiency in you are in the crop, you will find when you are after first spray only, symptoms start changes. As we all know, micronutrient it increase the yield. It also helps in fruit setting. It also gives the quality. So all things you will get in the crop. You will see crop will be very healthy. I will show you some crops where we have used it, and it has changed the total size of the fruits. It has changed the taste of the fruits, and plant is very healthy. Plant looks very green. Leaves became wider, so that photosynthesis is more. Root development is very high. So these are all important things. It is coming, and besides this also there is no disease, because one micronutrient we are putting, the micronutrient deficiency is you will not find in the plant. So that is a very plus point with this, and using this micronutrient, that is a total organic, you will find wonders of the results. And as I told you, micronutrient you can put any source. That will even soil, whatever the mineral rich soil you can take it. Suppose magnesium, calcium, this soil is there. That also you can take some 1 kg soil in 100 liter and put it. So all the micronutrients will be available, elements will be available. It is not only 18 elements plants require, plant require more. So everything, when enzymes, your vitamins and minerals are available, crop yield, size of the fruit, you will find extraordinary. So that you have to use and see the benefit. I will show you some crop, how it looks. This you see this brinjal crop, where we have stored this micronutrient 20 days back. Now see the crop, leaves you see, it is total green. There is no symptoms of any deficiency. Flowering also you see, it is good flower, no disease, either in the bottom size of your plant or this. Now you see the crop, see the fruits. Earlier it was only 3 to 4 fruits we are getting. Now you see number of fruits has increased, and size also you see, and color. You see the shining, it is natural shining without any wax. So that counts, no disease. It is a very healthy plant and very healthy fruit. Like this you can see here also, size has increased, tremendous, and it is soft. Taste, when you see the taste is also good. So like here also you see, this is all our crops. This side I will like to show you. Here also we have sprayed. See the color. This is what we call Torai, beetle guard. and ridge guard. So you see, there's no disease. Only we have sprayed this 5% of this micronutrient 20 days back, and now it has changed, become healthy. It looks very nice crop. You can see here also. This is also good crop. And some plants.
What's up, Pradhan?
You can see this plant also. This plant's also very green, dark green in color, natural shining. We have sprayed in all the horticulture plant, either it is guava or zaitun, mulberry or anything. All plants, we have sprayed it, and results are very visible. As I told you, you can use the quantity. I have made 100 liter, and I have already used this micronutrient in my all plants. So after using it, you can again put this our waste decomposer solution, which we have prepared in separately, to fill it. So when again we are putting it, because it is already thick, when we are again using it, the waste decomposer, whatever left over in our pulses powder and oil seed powder, it will get again available. And this process goes on. You can use into 6 months, 7 months, up to 1 year. Up to 1 year has no problem. When you see this became thinner, when liquid became thinner, it means all the material has been exhausted. Now you have to go for crush our powder and pulses powder as well as oil seed. So that you have to use and see when you are getting this thinner solution, it means you have to add something. But meanwhile, once you use it, every time you have to put this waste decomposer. That is a simple thing. It has no expiry. It will give you more nutrition value as much as you are putting the waste decomposer. So you don't afraid it. You can keep it in the outside. Yes, I have kept it. Just you see, it is open the sky. Only one tree is there upside. So that similarly you can do it. No need of any shade. No need of anything anywhere. No temperature effect. No this water or your rainy season or whatever seasons are there. Just you have to simply close it and keep it. So this will give you extraordinary micronutrient that is also organic. So this process you adopt it and get the benefits. See the response in all the horticulture crop, agriculture crops, or even flowers. Any plant, it needs micronutrients.